We're going to show you how to loop a video on your iPhone. Whether you want to create captivating visuals or simply enjoy your favorite video clips on repeat, looping videos on your iPhone is easy and fun. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. When you say loop video, you can refer to loop a video from YouTube or another social app, or maybe just loop a video from your gallery or Photos app. In this video, I will show you both. So how can you loop a video that is in your gallery or Photos app? If you open your Photos app and tap on a video, you will see there is no option to loop the video. I gave a video file here, and it does not allow me to loop the video. So what can I do to loop a video from my Photos app, or maybe a video that I downloaded on my iPhone? For this, I will need an extra app. One app that is easy to use and it is free and secure is VLC. So let's install the app. Open the App Store, tap on the search icon. On the input, write VLC. Tap on Install, and after the installation is done, just open the app. Now let's prepare the file. If you already have the video file on your iPhone saved in the files, you can skip this step. Open the Photos app and go to the video you want to play on a loop. If you tap on the Share button, you will see that you will not have VLC on the list of options. So do this. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Select where you want to save the file, and if you like, you can also change the name of the file. Tap on Save after you select the path. Now go to the Files app. Go where you saved the file. You see I have the loop video file. Tap on it. Now tap on the Share button. You see the VLC had appeared. Now tap on VLC, the file will start playing. To loop the file, tap on the three dots from the bottom right. On this menu, tap the option Do Not Repeat. Now it says Repeat One. What does it mean? It means the file will be looped indefinitely on your iPhone. This is a way to loop a video file on your iPhone. But what if you want to loop a YouTube video on your iPhone? You do not need to worry about this because the YouTube app has a built-in feature for this. Open the YouTube app and tap on the video you want to loop. When you tap on the video, you see these options. In the top right, there is a gear icon, the Settings option. Tap on it. Tap on Additional Settings. You have there an option called Loop Video. Activate the toggle. Now the video will loop on your device. You've successfully looped a video on your iPhone. Now you can enjoy your favorite video clips on repeat to your heart's content. Whether you're creating captivating visuals or simply enjoying endless entertainment, looping videos on your iPhone is a fun and easy way to enhance your iPhone experience. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.